In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work Microsoft Forms, working with multi-choice questions. Open Microsoft Forms in your browser and sign in. On the design page, choose new form if you're running a survey or new quiz if you plan to mark correct answers and award points. Either option supports the same multi-choice features. On your blank form, select Add New and choose Choice. This inserts a question card where you can type your prompt and start adding options. It's the building block for any pick from a list question. If you want people to select more than one answer, turn on multiple answers at the bottom of the question card. When this is enabled, options display as checkboxes so people know multiple selections are allowed. Use this for things like select all tools you use or which days work for you. If only one response is valid, leave multiple answers off. Next, type in your answer choices. Keep them short, consistent in style, and unambiguous so respondents don't have to guess. If a choice needs clarity, add it to the question text rather than overloading the option label. Need additional options? Click Add Option to create more choices. When your list can't cover every possibility, select Add Other to provide a write-in field. That's helpful during early discovery or whenever you expect edge cases. Just remember that typed entries may vary in wording, which can make analysis a bit less tidy than fixed choices. You can also add context with visuals. Click the Insert Media icon beside the question text to attach an image or a video. A simple diagram, product photo, or short clip can make options easier to understand. Keep visuals clear and relevant so they support rather than distract from the decision. Finally, decide whether this question must be answered. Toggle required to prevent people from submitting the form without responding. With multiple answers on, required means they must pick at least one option, not necessarily all that apply. Use this selectively so your form stays quick and approachable. You've created a choice question, enabled multiple answers when appropriate, added clean options including an other write-in, enhanced clarity with media, and set the question as required when it truly matters. Follow these guidelines across your form to collect accurate data while keeping the experience smooth for every respondent.